Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install my extension, the Sandro Linux extension, on Firefox. So let's get into it. So to start with, you need to put in addons.mozilla.org and hit enter. So enter in this URL. You then need to put in SLE, which is short for Sandro Linux extension, and click this one right here. The link to here will be in the description, and you then just need to click on the Add to Firefox button. It will then ask for these permissions, just click Add, and then it will say you can click OK, got it, and then here it is. So anyway, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoy using my extension. It gives you quick access to my content, and comment down below suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. I'm on a platform called LBRY, which you should check out. It's a YouTube alternative without the ads or the tracking, so Google won't be selling your data. So you should totally check that out, and goodbye.